This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Charles.Wilcox. Adorable Cape Cod in well-established neighborhood. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath with front and back sun porches. Large rooms with first floor primary. 2nd bedroom with antechamber on 2nd floor. Partially fenced in backyard and garage converted to workshop with water and electricity. Hardwood floors and mostly newer windows. All appliances to convey. Mechanical systems in great shape. Some updates and some still to be done by its new owner. Won't last, price to sell. For more information, review the details below or contact Charles Wilcox at 757-422-2200.